Pwede kang mag-register kahit saan kung gusto mo. Pwede, posible po ba yun? Posible po ba yun na maging reason kung bakit dumami yung voter registrant sa isang barangay dahil sa announcement na yun?
Again, hindi possibility yan. Possible ang mga ganyan, pero lahat naman ho ng mga application for registration natin, Your Honor, is subjected to the deliberation ng election registration board of every office of the government.
That's true. And may I ask Director Albert if there is a violation of the law, if any public officials have misled people through their public announcements? Paano kung meron silang sinabi na mali, tapos dahil doon dumami yung nagparehistro sa isang lugar? Paano kung may sinabi ang kapitan o ang mayor na mali, tapos dumami yung mga registrants sa isang barangay? May violation po ba yun? May possible violation po ba yun?
Let me just check, Your Honor, before answering.
Pero